guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing some box braids on my mini braids. So I washed my hair yesterday. If you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna put it in the description box, and I'm also gonna link it somewhere here or there, somewhere you're gonna see it. But yeah, let's get started. For this video, all I'm gonna make use of is scrunchies and the Style and Jam conditioning gel, just to make sure the roots are clean. So I'm just gonna go in with the a little bit of the Style and Jam conditioning gel and just put that around my roots. For the braiding here, I'll be using blue and black. So I'm taking this much here. It's just the same way you would do a box braid. And if you haven't seen, I have a video where I explain how to do box braids, and if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link that up also. So basically, instead of a box braid, this you're only picking up the braid, just a single braid. So you don't have to divide the hair in 3 parts, just one. I was gonna have to do this like halfway, but apparently my hair is longer. I think it ended around here, so I'm just gonna braid it a tiny bit past where my hair stopped, and I make a knot to secure the braid. And that's it for the braiding.
You already know, it's Melody Songs, the humble producer.
So I'm done with 3 at the back. I'm gonna come back when I'm done with more here. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm almost done making my hair. I only have these 3 pieces, and let's get started. Actually, we already got started, so let's continue. So now that I'm finally done braiding, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the tips lipstick stick. And also burn the ends. And I got these at the dollar store. This looks really messy. See? I think I should do this in sections. I'm gonna put this in 4 sections.
Just kidding. But yeah, that's done. Should I do with this?
So I think it's faster and easier to just like cut the ends first, then go back into burn the ends.
And also, you can have a cup of water by your side in case it gets too wet, so you can just dip your finger into it, and that reduces the inflammation or something.
Guys, I think I'm finally done with everything. Whew. That's a lot. I'm tired. Actually, what I actually wanted was the back to be shorter, but I forgot about my hair being long. So yeah, the back is actually long. I'm just gonna bend it in a little bit. Let me know in the comment section how I did. This is my first time ever doing this, ever on myself and someone else. This is my first time ever. So let me know how I did in the comment section below. Okay, stay. I think I'm just gonna have to tie these down so it will stay. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.